What up, YouTube family? Back at it again with another one. Today, man, I'm about to tear this Crown Vic apart. I'm about to take all the trimming off, the bumpers, anything and everything that I need to get sanded down. I'm taking it off. I don't know what I'm doing, but guess what? It's trial and tribulations. You won't learn in life until you fail, and then when you fail, you get back up, and then when you get up, you stay up. So that's what I plan on doing. I got Harbor Freight Drill Master 7-inch variable speed polisher slash sander. Also got some goodies in the bag that I'm gonna need. Look, I know I'm gonna need that. My broke ass gonna need that right there. Get all the good deals, all the half offs, all the clearance, all the 67% saving sales. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need that most definitely. So boom, got a hooking loop. Don't even know what the hell that means, but that's what the dude told me that I needed for that exact sander. 150 grit fine. Man, I hope I don't rip into this metal. Like I said, this is my first time ever sanding a vehicle, y'all. So y'all stick with me. I'm a first time professional is what I call myself. If that makes any sense, which I doubt it. I got two on, cause I wouldn't be two-time if I didn't get two on. 250 grit. But I got one extension cord though, you know what I'm saying? That's all I needed was 150 foot. Extension cord, Vanguard, 16 gauge. I hope it ain't too small. I mean, I ain't running down but a little grinder, man. It ain't like I'm putting a bunch of stuff on there. So, man, right now, I just got started. I told myself, do I want to do this today or do I want to do it tomorrow? I already started taking a little door panel piece off, and I need to take all of this trimming. God dang, I couldn't even shut the door. See, look, I'm already tripping. But look, I'm about to take this trimming here off. I'm about to take these off. I'm about to get some better ones than that right there. Little rain guards. I gotta take the mirror off. I'm taking these bumpers off. These fenders, excuse me. Taking the fenders off. And the bumpers. Front and rear bumpers. Taking both of those off. I'm gonna take the hood off and I'm gonna go get the hood done. Sand it down, rebondoed by somebody else, cause I don't know what I'm doing with that, and I don't want it to turn out, you know what I'm saying, like looking crazy. So I'm gonna take the rear spoiler off. I'm gonna take this piece here off, the headlights, tail lights, taking everything off, man. I also got a new header panel coming. Brand new. You see I got a crack in this thing, man. Brand new one coming. Yeah, so take all the trimming off, man. I'm gonna make sure I sand this car real good. I'm gonna get it primed, sand it down real fine, and then I'm gonna get the car wrapped, man. So I told myself I might as well start today, even though I know I'm not gonna get finished today. I'm gonna show y'all some progresses that I'm making. I may do a couple parts to this wrap video, or sanding slash wrap, or paint, whatever you guys want to call it, man. So I may do a couple of parts to that and show y'all what it takes as a first timer in doing a project like this. I'm tired of spending crazy amounts of money and my stuff not getting done right. So if I put my hands on it myself, I feel like I can do a little bit better job than putting my stuff in somebody else's hands, sort of say. So it wouldn't be a project if you don't put your own hands on it yourself. If somebody asks who done this, who done that, I'm gonna tell them I done all the work. I'm the man. If it turns out ugly, I'm gonna tell them somebody else did it. Nah, I'm just joking. If it turns out crazy, man, I'm gonna own to it and I'm gonna fix it. So y'all see I got the bummiest outfit on, man. I gotta put some dirty stuff on so I can actually work on this greasy ass car, man. This shit greasy as hell, it's dirty. So I want to get started as soon as possible. I ain't even got no face mask or nothing yet, man. So I'm gonna have to go pick all that stuff up. Man, you know what I told myself? I told myself if I'm gonna do this project, I'm gonna go all the way 100 with it. So I know y'all can probably see my reflection in the car, but bam! Y'all got the full outfit. Look like I'm ready to cook up, serve up something. Nah, y'all, I do this for protection. I don't know what all this sandpaper and all this dust and stuff gonna kick up gonna do to me. It's the beginning of spring. I don't need my allergies messing up, man. I can't stand when my allergies messing up. Calls for a bad day. Calls for me to be pissed off. I don't want to be pissed off. But yo, I'm fixing to sand the whole car, man. Besides the 2 fenders that I told y'all about, and I'm gonna take the bumpers off. So I'm gonna sand what I can sand today, and then I'm gonna see the things that I need to take off the car to get to the other spots. So for right now, I'm just gonna hit the flat areas that I can get to, like all this, all that. I don't think I'm gonna touch the trunk today. I need to get a heat gun to get this vinyl up. This orange stuff is vinyl, man. So I'm gonna get to what I can get to today, and I'll put this little video out like a part 1, and I'll bring you guys different stages of what I'm doing. So y'all stay tuned and watch the master at work, or watch the virgin at work, 'cause I don't know what I'm doing. Well, yeah, we about to get through this thing together, y'all. Hey guys, let me tell y'all something right now. I got nothing but respect for guys that do auto body work on cars, whatever they do body work on, man. Cause yo, sanding stuff down is tiresome, it hurts your back. I know that there gotta be an easier way to do it, but you know, this is about what I gotta work with right now. But in the future, I will have a bigger garage so I can work in the inside. I can pull a chair up to it. You know, just a more relaxing scene instead of me being outside like I am right now. And it's raining, that's why I gotta stop. But I would have had this whole side done if it wasn't raining or whatnot. But this is what I got done so far. I know I gotta hit it again with some more sandpaper or whatever. But this is 150 grit. You really can't tell what it looked like because everything got dust and stuff on it, but I have to hit it with a finer grit, smooth the surface down. But yeah, you know, this right here is just a start. Like I said, I'm a beginner at sanding, so I'm gonna have to take some molding and stuff off. I know I'm gonna have to take these door handles off because I want to get them painted or gloss black, both of them. I'm gonna have to take this bottom trim off. I'm gonna have to take this molding off. But I'm just hitting the outer surfaces that I can get to right now. And I'm gonna do the whole car like that, and then I'm just gonna come back and take all of the molding and stuff off, and then just hit the fine surfaces that I couldn't get to. But I ain't do nothing but just touch this area here, you know, just to make it look like I did a little something today. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna hit this again with 150 grit. I'm gonna try to get it down to where the original paint is, the white paint, or I might just strip it down to bare metal, man. I'm not sure yet, but I may just get what I can off and then hit it with a finer grit, smooth everything down, and then prime over top of that. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, right now it's raining, so I can't do anything else. But I'm gonna tackle the rest of this car later on. I'm about to go and get a cover for it right now because I don't want this metal and stuff sitting out in the rain, man, and resting on me and doing all kind of crazy stuff. So like I said, it ain't gonna be sitting for that long anyway. I just gotta wait till it start raining, wait until I got a better day to finish sanding the whole vehicle. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, see what I got going on. I appreciate it. 2Time Moto TV out, baby.